Hello. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to speak English and felt like your brain was running in circles? Like, you want to say something but the words just won't come out right? Or maybe you start talking, then suddenly stop. 'Cause you're not sure if you sound okay? Don't worry, this happens to almost everyone who is learning English. Even me. I've been there, trust me. There were times when I said something so strange that even I didn't understand what it meant. But here's the best part. It gets easier, much easier. And today, I'm going to show you how. The first thing you need to know is this. Don't try to be perfect. Perfect doesn't exist. At least not when you're learning a new language. Imagine a baby learning to walk. They fall down. They cry. They stand up again, and after many tries, they finally walk. Do they wait until they can run perfectly before they take their first step? No, they just keep trying. That's exactly what you should do. Speak, make mistakes, and learn from them. Every mistake brings you closer to becoming better. Let me give you an example. Suppose you go to a store and want to buy water. You might think, oh no, I don't know how to say this correctly. But guess what? Even if you say, water please, or I want water, the shopkeeper will still understand you. It doesn't matter if your grammar isn't perfect. What matters is that you communicate. Over time, as you practice more, you'll get better at forming full sentences like, can I have a bottle of water please? But for now, just focus on getting your message across. Another great way to improve is by talking to yourself. Yes, I mean it. Talking to yourself is one of the easiest ways to practice without feeling shy or nervous. You can do it anywhere. At home, in the shower, while walking to work. It doesn't matter. Just start saying things out loud. For example, if you're cooking breakfast, you could say, okay, first I crack the egg, then I put it in the pan. Oh, the pan is hot. This helps you practice thinking and speaking in English at the same time. At first, it might feel a little weird. Maybe you'll laugh at yourself, or maybe someone passing by will wonder why you're talking to thin air. But honestly, who cares? The point is you're practicing. The more you talk to yourself, the less afraid you'll feel when you have to talk to real people. Plus, it's kind of fun once you get used to it. Try it. You might surprise yourself. Now, let's talk about another important tip. Start small conversations with others. Don't worry about big, deep discussions right away. Begin with simple questions. Ask someone, how are you? Or what did you eat today? These kinds of questions are easy to answer, and they give you a chance to listen and respond. Listening is just as important as speaking because it helps you learn how native speakers use the language. For instance, imagine you meet a friend and ask, did you watch any movies recently? Your friend replies, yes, I watched Spider-Man. Now you can say, oh really, did you like it? See how easy that was? Small conversations like these help you build confidence. And if you accidentally say something funny or wrong, don't panic. Laugh about it. Mistakes are part of the process. One day you'll look back and laugh at how far you've come. Here's another idea. Watch movies or TV shows in English. This is a fun way to learn new words and phrases. Choose something you enjoy, a comedy, a drama, or even cartoons. And pay attention to how the characters speak. Listen to their tone, their expressions, and how they pronounce certain words. After watching, try repeating some of the lines. Pretend you're acting in the movie. For example, if you watch Harry Potter, you can say, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. It's okay if you sound silly, that's the whole point. Practicing this way makes learning fun. If movies aren't your thing, you can also listen to songs in English. Sing along to your favorite tunes. Music helps you remember vocabulary and improves your pronunciation. Plus, singing always puts you in a good mood. Who wouldn't want to belt out, let it go, while improving their English? One more thing I want to share is this. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. A lot of time. It's like planting a tree. When you plant a seed, you don't see results immediately. You water it every day, protect it from storms, and wait patiently for it to grow. Slowly but surely, it becomes stronger and taller. The same goes for learning English. Every word you learn, every sentence you form is like adding water to your tree. Keep going, and soon you'll see amazing progress. Sometimes you might feel frustrated. Maybe you studied hard all week, but during a conversation you forgot everything. That's normal. Don't give up. Remember, even the most fluent English speakers made plenty of mistakes when they started. The key is to keep practicing, even on days when it feels difficult. Finally, here's my favorite advice: celebrate your wins. Did you order food in English? Great job. Did you understand a joke in an English movie? Awesome. Did you introduce yourself to a stranger in English? Fantastic. Celebrate these moments no matter how small they seem. Each one is proof that you're improving. Keep a journal where you write down your achievements. Looking back at your progress will motivate you to keep moving forward. So, let's recap everything we talked about today. Stop worrying about being perfect. Talk to yourself. It's free, private, and super helpful. Start small conversations with watch movies, TV shows, or listen to music in English. Be patient with yourself. It's a long journey, but worth it. Celebrate every little victory along the way. Learning English isn't just about memorizing rules or cramming vocabulary lists. It's about communication. It's about connecting with people. Whether you're ordering coffee, chatting with a colleague, or telling a story to a friend, every interaction counts. So take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the process. Before I finish, let me leave you with one last thought. Whenever you feel unsure or nervous about speaking English, remind yourself of this: you are brave. Not everyone has the courage to step out of their comfort zone and learn a new language. But you're doing it. You're taking steps towards something that will open doors for you, not just in English, but in life. So keep going. Keep practicing. Keep smiling through your mistakes, because someday you'll look back and realize you've become the confident English speaker you always wanted to be. All right, that's all for today. Go ahead and practice what you've learned. Talk to your mirror, chat with a friend, or sing your favorite song. Whatever you do, have fun with it. Until next time, happy speaking.